Deep Water, Chapter 3, Book Flamingo. This chapter is written by William Douglas, and the following excerpt is taken from Of Men and Mountains by William O. Douglas. It tells how, as a young boy, William Douglas nearly drowned in a swimming pool. And in this essay, which is taken from his book, he talks about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcame it. And we have to notice how the autobiographical part of the selection is used to support his discussion of fear. Means he talks about that how with his sheer determination and his willpower he was finally successful in overcoming his fear of water. So this is a great message which is taken from this chapter, that we have to be we should have very strong willpower. Only strong willpower and diligence, determination, these things, they lead us to succeed. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. There was a pool at YMCA. Now, YMCA, you should know, please write down. This is Young Men's Christian Association. Actually, this is an association. And one is women also, YWCA, Young Men Christian Association, Young Women Christian Association. And these associations are providing different facilities for Christian boys and girls. So he was... the narrator, William Douglas, was hardly 10 or 11 years old. He decided that he wants to swim. वो वहाँ pool पे जाते हैं YMCA के in Yakima, and that offered exactly the opportunity. Now see, Yakima River is a tributary of Columbia River in eastern Washington, USA. See, when we have anything, when we study something, everything geographically also should be very clear to us. So now you will remember Yakima River is in East Washington, and the state is named after the indigenous Yakama people. That is why this river is called Yakima. The Yakima River was treacherous. Treacherous means dangerous. Mother continually warned against it and kept fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the river. So his mother always told him that river Yakima is very dangerous, and his mother continually warned him, okay, you have to keep in mind that it is very dangerous to go there. But YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 deep feet at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other, and the drop was gradual. But he found that though river was very dangerous, but this pool was very safe. वो shallow तरफ से, क्योंकि swimming pool में gradual slope होता है, जो शैलो पार्ट है वो सिर्फ 2-3 फीट डीप था, और जो डीपेस्ट पार्ट था वो 9 फीट डीप था, और ड्रॉप जो था उसका डेप्थ जो थी बड़ी शैलो थी, धीरे धीरे, ऐसा नहीं था कि एकदम शार्प उसमें अंदर वो था. आई गॉट अ पेयर ऑफ वाटर विंग्स. वाटर विंग्स आर कॉल्ड apparatus which helps in swimming, and with these water wings he went to the pool. I hated to walk naked into it and show my skinny legs. So the narrator says that he did not like to show his legs naked, and because he had very skinny, very thin legs, so he did not like to go like that. But I subdued my pride and did it. So he said, but I controlled my feelings. Okay, he has got skinny legs, but he went there. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. So narrator says that from the very beginning only he had aversion. He had hatred of the water when I was in it. जब भी वो पानी में होता था उसे बड़ा डर लगता था, बड़ी नफरत होती थी. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old, and father took me to the beach in California. Now see, everything, कोई भी hatred होती है उसका एक root cause होता है. तो same Douglas के साथ भी यही हुआ. He had aversion to the water because when he was 3-4 years old, his father took him to the beach in California. He and I stood together in the surf. Surf होता है sea wave, बड़ी सी wave होती है. I hung on to him, yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. तो बच्चा था, तो वो कहता है मैं अपने पापा से चिपका रहा जब वेव आई, लेकिन उस वेव ने मुझे नॉक कर दिया, नीचे डाल दिया, एंड दैट स्वेप्ट ओवर मी. पूरी वेव उसके ऊपर आ गई. आई वॉज बैरिड इन वाटर. वो पूरी तरह से पानी के अंदर हो गया. माई ब्रेथ वॉज गॉन. आई वॉज फ्राइटेंड. फादर loved, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. एंड नेचुरली पापा वॉज एल्डरली, ही सिंपली लाफ्ड कि देखो हाउ इट वॉज, बट देयर वॉज टेरर. बट जो राइटर था उसके दिमाग में, नरेटर के जो दिल में है, वो एक टेरर, एक फियर जो है वो बैठ गया इन हिज हार्ट एट द ओवरपावरिंग फोर्स ऑफ द वेव्स. कंट्रोलिंग, ओवरपावरिंग मीन्स कंट्रोलिंग, उसको एकदम दहशत बैठ गई, वो डर बैठ गया कि जो है वेव्स, उनमें कितनी फोर्स होती है आदमी को दबाने की. My introduction to YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fears. Now, this was an incident which happened to him when he was 3 or 4 years old. Now, this is the second incident. Now he came to the YMCA swimming pool, right? पहला इंसिडेंट बचपन में ये हुआ, डर बैठा हुआ है पानी से. अब वो YMCA में आता है पूल पे. अब वहाँ पर आने के बाद दोबारा से उसकी वही फियरफुल मेमोरीज दोबारा से हिल जाती है, दोबारा से उसके दिमाग में आ जाती है. वही डर उसको दोबारा से, वहाँ पे भी उसके साथ एक ऐसा अनप्लेजेंट इंसिडेंट होता है, वो डर उसके दिमाग में दोबारा से बैठ जाता है. बट इन अ लिटिल वाइल आई गैदर्ड कॉन्फिडेंस. आई पैडल्ड विद माई न्यू वाटर विंग्स, वॉचिंग द अदर बॉयज एंड ट्राइंग टू लर्न बाय एपिंग देम. तो राइटर कहता है बट आई गैदर्ड कॉन्फिडेंस, और कॉन्फिडेंस लेके आई पैडल्ड. पैडल्ड मीन्स मूव्ड इन द वाटर. वो पानी के अंदर जाते हैं अपने नए वाटर विंग्स के साथ. एंड ही स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग अदर बॉयज एंड ट्राइंग टू लर्न एपिंग देम. उनको देख देख कर, एपिंग मीन्स कॉपिंग देम, उनको कॉपी कर कर राइटर जो है वो स्विमिंग करने लगा. आई डिड दिस 2 or 3 times on different days. डिफरेंट डेज में वो 2-3 times करने लगे. एंड वॉज जस्ट बिगिनिंग टू फील एट ईज इन द वाटर when the misadventure happened. कह रहे मैं बस ईज करने, आई वॉज जस्ट फीलिंग ईज. ईज मीन्स कंफर्टेबल, फील करने ही वाला था